Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to show you what I bought for prepping for my working prepper pantry from a store, grocery store called Save-A-Lot. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of this store, but it's like a no frills, I guess you could say. You could buy some like brand names there. Hello, Stormy. But a lot of it is no frills, okay? And I like going to this store because it is a no frills, because I'm not very big on brands. I could care less. But I wanted to show you what you can buy for about $100, okay? And to be exact, I only spent $100.97. And I'll show you. Okay? So, and here you could see it says Save-A-Lot. All right? Now, as I've said in previous videos, Sean loves when I make Spanish food. So, of course, I bought this, which is like, how do you pronounce this? Mojo or Moho or however you pronounce it, okay? But Goya actually puts out some of the best tasting spices and products really out there they can ever buy when you're making Spanish food, okay? So this I love to put in my rice when I'm making Spanish rice, when I'm making any of my meats. This is where you want to go, okay? Sofrito, I love it. And then this, okay? And these spices right here. Beef flavoring, chicken flavoring, pork flavoring, and this is for, I put this in with my rice to make my Spanish rice, okay? Then I picked up some brown gravy, you know, mashed potatoes, when you're making Salisbury steak, or even meatloaf, whatever, okay? Picked up some green peppers, some onions, and got some pork chops as well. Sauerkraut from when I'm doing kielbasa, because I've got a lot of kielbasa, but I ran out of sauerkraut. Now, these green pigeon peas by Goya is what you would generally put in with your Spanish rice. So I was running low, but running low for me is I'm down to about 8 cans. So I picked up 4 more cans. And then I got some sliced potatoes because Sean likes to have these when I'm making him breakfast with eggs and bacon. And then I picked up some cream of mushroom soup because I'm down to 2 cans, I believe. That's what's in the box. So then I picked up some of these. These ribs, to be honest with you, are the best ribs I've ever eaten in my life. And these are $7.99. So I got 2 packs of these, okay? They're already cooked. All you have to do is put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. They're amazing. Trust me. I got some hamburger rolls, some hot dog rolls, some bread, and then, yes, I picked up steak. Now, I know I could have not just picked up steak and picked up a bunch of chicken. But when I tell you that my freezer prepper pantry is loaded, and I mean absolutely loaded with chicken, and Sean and I have not treated ourselves in a very long time with steak, I decided to treat us. So I picked up 2 packs, and I will be repackaging this using my food savers. So this is actually 3 meals for me and Sean. So this is what I picked up, okay? So this is actually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meals right here, just in meats alone, okay? And then all of our spices that we're going to need for different Spanish food dinners, okay? And just some extra canned goods, some more veggies, some bread, and here you have it, folks, for $100.97. I know I could have bought more, but with my channel, I like to keep it on the lower end because a lot of my subscribers, they're on a fixed budget. So why not show you what you can get for a lot less? Okay. Now, I know a lot of you are saying probably to yourself right now, well, I can't really afford to buy steak. I understand that. So why don't we focus on maybe just getting some ground meat, okay? Some chicken, some pork chops. You see these pork chops right here? $5.24. This was actually a manager's special. And where this is ripped off right here, there was a coupon right here on this one, for 30% off. So 30% off of $5.24. Okay, so there's specials that you can look for in this store where you can actually get these meats for a heck of a lot cheaper than what the price tag actually says. So if you have a Save-A-Lot in your area, you know, it's obviously a really great place to go. So here you go for $100. Not too shabby. 7 meals in meats alone for $100. Not too bad. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, and as always, fear less. Bye.